Hi friends, how are you? Hope you all are doing good. Without getting late, let's get into the topic. I got a very interesting topic for you. One can file the crackers with the help of mobile phone. Let's see in detail what are the required components, what is the software required, and what is the mobile application required. Let's see one by one in detail. Let's see required components in detail. Node MCU Wi-Fi module ESP8266 board. I am already having 4 channel relay board of 12 volt. We can use a 5 volt relay board also. For this I am giving power supply with the help of DC adapter by using female DC socket. This is the 12 volt DC adapter. Some jumper cables. Female to female some jumper cables. As a heating element I am using nichrome wire of 32 gauge. It is highly recommended. Old USB cable for heating the nichrome wire. Some junction terminals. Old adapter. Old pipe for keeping the firing elements here. Junction terminal, just paste it with glue gun. One side will be nichrome wire, another side will be connection from relay board, and some crackers for cutting player. That's all. These are all required components. Open Arduino IDE. I already typed my code. Just change the authentication token which is came from Blink mobile application and enter your SSID and password of your Wi-Fi network name and password. Just upload the code in Node MCU board. I will give source code in link description. Go to Play Store, download the Blink application. I already downloaded Blink application. Then select new project. Then enter your project name. I am using ESP8266 board. I chosen that device and then just click on create. It will send authentication token to a registered email ID. Then click on add button. Then select button. Press on that button. It will show like this. Click on push button to switch. Then select the pins 01. Click on pin, digital pin, GPO0 I am using. So I selected that pin. That's all. We created the switch for our project. Then click on play button. That's all. Our project is ready for use. When it is connected to board, it will show online. Now let's see circuit connections in detail. Node MCU. I have 4 channel 12 volt relay board for which I given power supply with the help of DC adapter. That is female DC socket pin. I just soldered to relay board. This is the adapter for relay board power supply. Take some jumper cables and give the connections between Node MCU and relay board. Connect the D3, D4 pins of Node MCU to control pins of relay board IN1 and IN2. And ground pin of Node MCU is connected to ground pin of relay board. These are the connections between Node MCU and relay. We can use 2 channel relay or 4 channel relay, whatever we can use. Actually, I have already this board, that's why I am using this board. I already have this 3-inch diameter pipe. By using junction terminal, I connected two jumper cables. As a heating element, I am using nichrome wire of 32 gauge. Just wind it like this. And connect to terminal of the diameter pipe. For heating coil, I am using DC adapter of mobile. I just cut the USB cable. For easy way connections, I using this terminal. Connect positive pin of USB cable to common of the relay board. And one side of coil wire is connected to negative pin of the USB cable, and another side of coil cable wire is connected to normally opened of relay board. Just use aluminum foil there to avoid black color there. For checking, I used without aluminum foil, that's why it was came black color on the pipe. The nichrome wire coil just connect like this, one side of the terminal. Just connect properly nichrome wire because it was very thin. That's all. These are the connections. Just give power supply to node MCU with the help of mobile adapter, and relay board a 12 volt DC adapter, and heating coil with mobile adapter. These are all the connections. Be safe while operating this circuit. When we press the on button in blink application, the coil which is connected to one terminal of junction, it will get heated and make the crackers to fire. While operating this circuit, please maintain more distance. It is not recommended for the children below 15 years old. Be safe while operating this circuit.
Okay.
Hope you all have enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and wish you advance happy Diwali.